learn Tamazight language of Tunisia. المذ تتليت تمازيغ تونس. Previous video we were specifically learning about the letter N. Okay, this time we are going to learn about EU. Now the difference between N is, like I said in the previous video, N is own and EU is my. Like if we want to say agrum my bread directly without saying my own bread, you say directly my bread, you say agrum miu. Agrum eu. Okay? So today we're going to focus on eu. Something that belongs to me directly. My bread. Okay? So you say agrum miu. And this is what we're going to focus on. So my bread is agrum miu. If you want to say for you, shik, you say your bread. Agromik. Agromik. Earlier, we said agrominnik. Okay, your own bread. Agrominnik. This time, your bread directly. Agromik. Agromik. One for it's you, but for female. Shim. Remember that? So this time, you say agromim. It's for a girl. Your bread. Agromim. Agromim. Okay? So I want to explain, before I continue, I want to explain for the Darija people speakers كي نقول أنا أغرو من نيو كل شيء قلت الخبز متاعي أنا الخبز متاعي أنا أما كي نقول أغرو ميو نقول خبزي ديريكتمون خبزي فهمني هذا الفرق ما بين أغرو من نيو وأغرو ميو متاعي أنا خبز متاعي أنا النيو متاعي أنا النيو وإيو directement خبزي. Okay, so I basically explained. I said that إيو is my or mine and إنيو is my own bread. Okay, that's because we say it differently in different languages. Nitta, nittath. We continue with he, she. Okay, we say agromis. Hers, his bread. Agromis. Hers, his bread. Agromis. So we continue with nitchin, which is we. Nitchin, we. Our bread. Agrominna. Agrominna. Okay? Agrominna. Agrominna. Our bread. Kinyum, you group of people. Your bread. Agromuwim. Agromuwim. Your bread. Agromuwim. Agromuwim. Your bread. For a group of people. The interesting part. For you group of people, when it comes to female, nothing changes. Nothing changes. Okay? Kinyumti is you for group of female, so nothing changed. It remains the same as your own bread. Agrum, agrum, yes. Agrum nikmith, agrum nikmith, agrum nikmith, agrum nikmith. Okay, you can say agrum nikmith, or agrum nikmith. It's same. I'm more comfortable saying agrum nikmith. Some people say agrum nik. They pronounce the word, the letter K, ich. Agrum nikmith, agrum nikmith, and it's different dialects, but it's the same. Same here, nothing changed. It's nihnin, nihnin, they. Their own bread. Agrum nissen, agrum nissen, agrum nissen, their bread. Same thing here, nothing changed. It's they group of people for it's feminine, not masculine, feminine group of people. You say their own bread. أغرم نسنث أغرم النسنث أغرم النسنث. Okay, أغرم النسنث أغرم النسنث. Their own bread. We're just going to repeat the words. Niche is me or I. Shik is you. Shim is you for Nitta is he. Is she. Nitshin we. Kinyum you group of people. Kinyumti you group of people feminine. Nihnin they. Nihinti they